On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Oh, look at this little boy. He is crying. He is sad. But she is happy. She is laughing. She is yawning. She's tired, but he is excited. She is hot, and he is cold. Oh no, he caught a cold. He is ill. He is sick. Oh, look at this man. He is bored. He has nothing to do. She is bored too, 'cause she's hurt and she can't do anything. And she is... Oh God, she's shouting. She's angry. And yeah, he's scared. He's trembling. They are thirsty. And they are hungry. What about you? How are you feeling today? Time to review the adjectives. She is happy. He is sad. They are angry. She is tired. He is hot. They are hurt. She is sick. Or she is ill. He is cold. They are nervous. He's scared. She's excited. They are confused. He is thirsty. She is hungry. They are bored. Now, let's do an activity all together. How is she? She is bored. How is he? He is tired. How are they? They're excited. How are they? They are scared. How is she? She's confused. How are they? They are cold. How is he? He is tired. Is he happy? No, he isn't. He is angry. Is he ill? Is he sick? Yes, he is. He is ill. He is sick. How is she? She is sad. How is he? He is hungry. How is he? He is happy. Are they hungry? No, they aren't. They are thirsty. Is she happy? No, she isn't. She is scared. Is she cold? Yes, she is. She is cold. Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.